Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Maya. Today, we're going to help you talk about your weekend in simple, natural English.
Yes, welcome back. And today's lesson is fun because everyone loves weekends, even us.
Oh, yes, I love weekends more than my morning coffee, and that is serious.
Very serious. So let's start with a simple question many English learners need. What did you do this weekend?
Exactly. We will show you easy answers, natural sentences, and funny examples so you can speak with confidence.
Okay, let's begin. If someone asks you, "How was your weekend?" you can answer very simply. I had a good weekend. It was relaxing. It was busy. It was fun.
Yes, super easy. And then you add one more sentence about what you did. For example, I had a relaxing weekend. I stayed at home and watched movies.
Let's practice together. I'll say the weekend type. You add one activity in your mind. Quiet weekend. Fun weekend. Busy weekend. Long weekend. Good. You're learning.
Let's talk about Saturday. Many people start with, on Saturday, I...
For example, on Saturday, I woke up late. On Saturday, I cleaned my room. On Saturday, I met my friends.
Let me ask you, what did you do on Saturday?
I ate too much. That was my Saturday. Breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. It was a food marathon.
Congratulations, you are now a champion of eating.
Thank you. I trained very hard.
Now, Sunday is different. Many people prepare for the new week. Useful sentence starters. On Sunday, I. In the afternoon, I. In the evening, I. Example. On Sunday morning, I went to the market. In the afternoon, I did laundry. In the evening, I watched a movie.
My Sunday was very simple. I did laundry, forgot about it, found it again, dried it, forgot it again. Basically, my laundry had an adventure.
Laundry is stressful. It's like a small life problem.
Here are easy words you can use. Relax, rest, clean, cook, meet friends, watch TV, play sports, go shopping, visit family, study, exercise.
These are perfect for conversation. For example, I relaxed at home. I visited my parents. I went shopping at the mall. Asking questions is important too. Here are natural questions. What did you do this weekend? Did you do anything fun? Did you go anywhere? How was your weekend?
Oh, really? With who? Was it fun? Did you enjoy it? What time did you go? Let's talk about common mistakes English learners make. Mistake 1. I go to shopping. Correct. I went shopping. Mistake 2. I play exercise. Correct. I exercised. Mistake 3. I very tired. Weekend. Correct. My weekend was very tiring.
Let's model a natural conversation.
Okay, let's do it.
How was your weekend?
It was great. On Saturday, I went to the beach with my friends. We swam and ate seafood.
Nice. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed at home and relaxed. I watched a movie and cleaned my room.
That's a perfect weekend balance.
Now, answer these in your mind. What did you do on Saturday? Did you go anywhere? Did you relax or work? What was the best part of your weekend?
Practicing helps your English grow fast.
Your weekend story doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be simple.
And consistent practice is how you become fluent.